Hi everyone, so today I am back with the Woolly Steph's art club. I know I haven't, it's been a hot minute, it's been a long time guys since I actually uploaded to this art club, and I'll tell you why guys. So basically, since I did the first prompt, I have attempted the other ones after, but I just got, I don't know, what do you call it? Art block, writer's block, you know, that kind of thing. Like, I wasn't sure where to go. So I have actually started the other prompts, but then I just was a blank. So this one was the nature. Then we had, I think it was Halloween. And guys, you know me and Halloween. I kind of got an idea, but I'm not sure. And then we had winter. So I started off with this base. And then I wasn't sure what to do then. So I kind of left it. And then we had, next one was steampunk, I believe. And guys, again, steampunk just isn't really my thing. But I just couldn't. I've painted the page with some gesso, and then guys, I was completely stuck. But then the following week we got quirky. So here's my little label that I'm going to be sticking on. We got quirky, and guys, I had just seen a video where they do, I don't know if it's like Zentangles or what kind of style it is, and you draw one line and then you pick 2 points and then you join up the lines with these curved circles. And when I had done mine, I had just looked at it and I thought they look like watermelons. Irregular watermelons, quirky watermelons, but they look like watermelons. So I coloured them in watermelon colours, and then I added I thought, well, it might be funny to have the watermelon seeds on the outside of the watermelon, so I did the background like with the watermelon seeds and the colour of the inside of a watermelon. Then I just went around the edge with a white Posca pen. I think I need to go over it again because it's not showing up. But yeah, this is my quirky page. Tell me what you think down below. I know she's drawn the next one, which is florals, which I do have an idea for. So I'll be doing that next, and I'll be back on to share that with all of you guys. I don't know, if you're joining along, tell me what you think. Are you finding it difficult to come up with ideas, or is it just me? I don't know. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.